You can go to your Stripe invoices list by clicking on the billing option at the left side of your screen, then select the invoices over here. On this page, click on Create Invoice button at the top right corner. Then you may select which customer you want to send the invoice to or adding a new customer. At the item section, you may add your products or services you want to sell or create a new one. You may also add multiple products by clicking on the Save and Add Another button. And if you are done with the product, click on the Save button. You may scroll down and choose to request payment to set up the due payment date of your invoices, basically the last payment date for your customer. After you are good with your invoice, select Review Invoice button at the top right corner. At the Finalize and Send, do a check mark on Schedule Send Date to schedule your invoice sending date. Click on Select Date button and pick the future date that you want. To then click on Schedule Invoice button over here. As you can see, now the invoice will be sent automatically by next week. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.